Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students of class 9th, as you know from previous classes, we are reading about the topic of your English book, that is The Lost Leaf, a short story. In this story, we came to know, yes, that there are two girlfriends, Sui and Johnsy. Johnsy has made her mind that when a lost leaf of the ivy creeper that is hanging on the tree, the leaf is hanging on the tree, that is ivy creeper, and there was it was raining heavily outside, and she was looking through the window, and she has made her mind that if the lost leaf of this ivy creeper will fall, when this lost leaf will fall, he will die at that moment. But her friend Sui told her that this is not the matter. You have to live, and this ivy creeper, this falling of tree, has nothing to do with your death. And her friend tried her best. She called Behrman, an old man, and he narrated this whole story to him, and he so after some time, when he learned about this, he goes and he painted the lost leaf that has fallen on the ground. The leaf that has fallen on the ground, he made उसने एक नकली पत्ता वहाँ पे लगाया था, जिससे उसे लगा कि ये हरा भरा पत्ता है, and that leaf never fall, and due to which he saved the life of Sui. So we will see what happened next. Sui hugged Johnsy. After when Johnsy told that she has made a sin, that whenever he has made her mind to die, she has now realized that this is actually not going on. This is not actually this is not actually going to happen. And she has realized that if somebody wants to die, he is actually committing a sin. वो गुनाह कर रहा है कि मौत की तमन्ना करना जो है वो एक गुनाह है. After that, Sui hugged Johnsy. उसके बाद सुई ने जॉन्सी को हग किया. Then she gave her lots of hot soap and a mirror. And after that, she gave her a lot of hot soap. फिर गरम सोप उसको पिलाया, and a mirror, और एक शीशा उसको दे दिया. Johnsy combed her hair. And after that, she combed her hair. उसने अपने बालों को कंघा किया and smiled brightly, and she now smiled. In the afternoon, the doctor came, and after in the afternoon, दोपहर के बाद डॉक्टर आता है. After examining his patient, he told Sui. When he examined the patient, means Johnsy, he told Sui, her friend, Johnsy now has the will to live. Doctor told Sui that Johnsy has made her mind to live. She is having now the will to live. I am confident she will recover soon. And the doctor says that he is confident that Johnsy will recover very soon. बहुत जल्द ये ठीक होने वाला है. Now I must go to downstairs and see Behrman. Now the doctor told him that he must go to downstairs. मुझे नीचे जाना चाहिए, नीचे वाले कमरे में जाना चाहिए, and see Behrman, and to see the condition of the Behrman. He is also suffering from pneumonia. Behrman is also suffering from pneumonia. वो भी pneumonia से सफ़र कर रहा है. But I am afraid there is no hope for him. But the doctor says that there is no hope for him. उसके जिंदा रहने की कोई तवक्का नहीं है, कोई उम्मीद नहीं है. The next morning, Sui came and sat on Johnsy's bed. What happened next morning? Next morning, Sui came and he sat on Johnsy's bed. वो Johnsy के बेड पर बैठती है, taking Johnson's hand in hers. She took the hand of Johnson in her hand. She said, "I have something to tell you." He told her that she has to tell him something. Mr. Behrman died of pneumonia this morning. Hey, Sui, do you know Mr. Behrman died of pneumonia? वो pneumonia से मर गया आज सवेरे. He was ill for only 2 days. He was suffering from pneumonia from last 2 days, and today early in the morning he died. The first day the janitor found him on his bed. The first day the janitor, a person whose job is to look after a building. जॉनिटर होता है वो आदमी जो बिल्डिंगों की देखभाल करता है, वही आता है. एंड पहले दिन उसने उसको बेड पर पाया. हिज क्लोथ्स एंड शूज वर वेट. उसके कपड़े एंड शूज, उसके जूते, दे वर वेट, वो गीले हो चुके थे. एंड वाज शिवरिंग, एंड बेहरमान वाज वेरी मच शिवरिंग, वो थरथरा रहा था. He had been out in that stormy night. Why he was shivering and why his clothes and shoes are wet? Because he had been out during that stormy night. उस आंधी वाली रात को, उस स्टॉर्मी वाली नाइट को, वो चूंकि बाहर था इसलिए उसकी जो हालत थी वो बिगड़ चुकी थी और वो शिवरिंग कर रहा था, वो थरथरा रहा था सर्दी से. Then they found a ladder and a lantern still lighted lying near his bed. And after that they found a ladder. उसके बाद उन्होंने एक सीढ़ी वहाँ पर देखी. And a lantern, एक लालटीन को वहाँ पर देखा. Still lighted, वो जल रहा था. Lying near his bed, उसके बेड के नज़दीक पड़ा हुआ था. There were also some brushes also there, and green and yellow pants on the floor. And there were some green and yellow pants on the floor. और कुछ पैंट्स वहाँ पर थे, कलर थे ग्रीन एंड येलो. नियर द लेडर, वो भी उस सीढ़ी के साथ में ही थे. Johnsy dear, said Sui. Now Sui told Johnsy, "Hey dear, look out of the window. Now you have to look out of the window. इस खिड़की से बाहर देखो. Look at that ivy leaf. उस ivy leaf की तरफ देखो, उस ivy पत्ते की तरफ देखो. Haven't you wondered why it doesn't flutter? क्या आप को वॉन्डर नहीं, आपको हैरानगी नहीं हो रही है कि ये क्यों फ्लूटर क्यों नहीं कर रहा? Why this is not moving here and there? Flutter means moving here and there. That is Behrman's masterpiece, because this is a masterpiece of Behrman. This is a masterpiece of Behrman. This has been painted by the Behrman. ये तो Behrman ने अपने हाथ से इस पत्ते को बनाया है. He painted it. उसने इसको पेंट किया है. And the night the last leaf fell, when the last leaf of this ivy creeper had fallen, and Behrman at that moment, in the when there was very much cool outside, when it was raining heavily, and there was a stormy night, and he goes out into this stormy night, and he painted the leaf so that you may get the idea that the leaf is still there on the tree, and you may get not in the intention that the leaf had fallen, and because you had made a mind that when the last leaf will fall, you will die at that time. आप उस वक्त मर जाओगे जब ये. तो इसी वजह से बेहरमान ने ये किया कि बेहरमान ने वहाँ पर एक नकली पेंटिंग बनाई, नकली पत्ता बनाया, उसकी पेंटिंग की, एंड उसको फिर वहाँ पर लगाया, तो ये तभी नहीं हिल रहा है. तो इसी वजह से आपकी जान बच गई, क्योंकि आपने ये मान लिया कि ये जो पत्ता है अभी भी उस पेड़ पर है, और उसकी वजह से आपकी ज़िंदगी बच गई और ख़ुद उसने अपनी जान दे दी. तो इस तरह से देख सकते हैं आप कि किस तरह से बेहरमान ने उसकी ज़िंदगी बचाई. हाउ ही सेव्ड हिज लाइफ and how much his painting helped in saving the life of Sui. So here are some words you can see. So this was all about the last leaf. Tomorrow inshallah we will see the exercise of this lesson. Have a nice day. Thank you.